DesignCrowd Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing DesignCrowd, a versatile platform for connecting clients with freelance designers worldwide. If you're interested in exploring it further, links are provided in the description below. DesignCrowd specializes in offering businesses and individuals access to a global pool of talented designers. Whether you need a logo, website, marketing materials, or custom artwork, this platform caters to a wide variety of design needs. Its core strength lies in its crowdsourcing model, where clients post a project brief and receive multiple design submissions from freelancers. This gives clients the freedom to choose the design that best meets their vision, while providing freelancers with the opportunity to compete and showcase their skills. The platform is ideal for small businesses, startups, and individuals seeking affordable, high-quality design work. It's also a great choice for freelancers who want to work flexibly while competing for projects in a highly competitive market. One of DesignCrowd's standout features is its global reach. Designers from around the world can contribute, bringing diverse styles and ideas to your project. Clients benefit from a straightforward process. They submit a project brief, set a budget, and receive dozens of design concepts within days. DesignCrowd also allows for revisions, ensuring that the final product aligns perfectly with client expectations. For freelancers, the platform offers exposure to an international audience and a chance to build a portfolio by participating in projects across various industries. In terms of pricing, DesignCrowd offers flexible options, with clients able to set their own budgets based on their needs and expectations. This makes it accessible to those working within tight financial constraints while still attracting high-quality designs. Freelancers earn money through contest wins or direct project hires with clear payment terms and secure transactions. Overall, DesignCrowd is a reliable and efficient platform for connecting clients with freelance designers. Its user-friendly interface, competitive pricing, and global network make it a valuable tool for anyone in need of design services. For more details or to try it yourself, check the links in the description below.